Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sahara Coleman. I forgot to do an intro, but I thought it would be cool to film an unboxing of a giveaway I recently won from a YouTuber. Thank you so much to Beauty Butterfly. I'll insert a clip here of her and her daughter's giveaway videos. I'll also leave a link down below so you could check out her channel.
So the first winner is going to get this Revolution Makeup Revolution London palette, and it's the Reloaded Vitality palette. And it looks like this. And you're also going to win this LA Colors Cool Tone palette.
These are in no particular order. I'm just reading off names. Okay, so the first name is Sahara Coleman. And Sahara, you're going to win the LA Color eyeshadow palette and the London Revolution eyeshadow palette, which is this and this.
Alright, so it came in the package. I already scribbled out our name, so I don't have my brows or anything done. I just went to wash my face because I wanted to hurry up and get this video up and record this video before I end up opening it off camera. I'm trying to start doing unboxings on camera, which is what you're supposed to do. Did I just give myself away? So I'm gonna go down here. And she sent me an email letting me know she was shipping it out on Monday, and I received it on Wednesday. So not only is that excellent communication skills, but that's fast and quick. That and the fact that we don't live too many states from each other. So when I open it up, it comes in the bubble wrap. And she even has a sticker label that says Beauty Butterfly Makeup Playtime. That is just so cool. Oh my god, I love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open this up. So it's bubble wrapped once again for each individual. Unbubble wrap this so I don't get too excited and drop. Oh, this is so cool. This is the LA Colors Cool palette. I'm telling you guys, I love LA Colors eyeshadows. I think they are such good quality. And then the second one is Makeup Revolution Reloaded Vitality palette. A little backstory on the Makeup Forever palettes right quick. So it's so funny, I was actually looking at two of their palettes because I really wanted to try these Reloaded Vitality palettes. And isn't it funny that I got it in a giveaway? Like, I mean, like, are we here or are we here? I think I'm just gonna do some quick swatches of both palettes. I think I'm just gonna swatch them. So starting with the LA Colors palette, this one comes with, and this is an excellent quality palette, by the way. Like this it's kind of heavy and it doesn't feel like cheap. 10 shades, that is not bad. And it comes with a sponge applicator, and before you throw a sponge applicator like this away, I'm telling you guys, this right here, like you guys seen in my nostalgia throwback video for my 90s makeup looks, like I use the sponge applicator, and I'm telling you guys, these apply lid shades so well. I'm gonna swatch the crease shade right here. They say crease and lid on it, and I really don't want to mess it up. Whatever, I'm just gonna go over it anyway. Ooh, that is pigmented. Oh my gosh, if you guys could feel how smooth this just felt, I'm gonna do a little swatch of it right quick. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Oh my god, that is pigmented. And for LA Girls Cool Tone, okay, wait a minute, I gotta look this up. And it comes with 8 eyeshadow shades, and these 2 big ones are highlighter shades, so I'm just gonna swatch those as well. Oh, that feels so smooth. Okay, I'm gonna swatch them next to the blue right here. So those are right there. They're a little bit powdery. They're more powdery than they are shimmery. So those may not be good highlight shades to use on the face, but maybe good inner corner and brow bone shades. Finally, I got the tape off. Like, this tape was not coming off at all. The pan sizes are really big in this palette. So this comes with 15 shades total. You have a mix of mattes and shimmers in this palette. The LA Colors palette, you only have one matte shade, which is this black down here. These berry tones. Oh, that feels really Oh, that feels really, really smooth. That is pigmented too. I'm gonna swatch these two shades, and that is really pretty as well. But here's the Makeup Forever side. Makeup Forever, Makeup Revolution side, and here's the LA Color side. So both equally pigmented, but this one is just a little bit more. Alright, so I'm back on with my brows done. I figured out which shades I want to use. Now we can get started. So starting with the Makeup Revolution palette, I'm going to start off with that light tan shade and apply that throughout the crease. So this is a little bit more like a skin tone shade, but it's like a camel color. I'm going to take that lilac shade and apply that in the crease as well. Moving on to the LA Colors palette, I'm going to take that black shade and apply that on the outer V and blend it into the crease, not all the way. When I like go over this shade, there's like no fallout from this shade. It's just like so smooth and like really pressed in. So I say like this is a good black shade for when you don't want something too black and dark to work with. I'm gonna go back into the Revolution palette and take that black shade just to deepen up the other black shade. So I'm going back into the LA Colors palette, and I have to use that blue shade out of all the shades and apply that on my lid because, you know, it's blue. See how much that picks up and people throw these away? Come on now. Back into the Revolution palette and take that lilac purple shade again and blend it throughout the crease to blend the two shades together. I'm also going to take that really, really light pink shimmery shade and apply that to the brow bone. And this is exactly why I don't like to apply the brow bone highlight after I apply my crease shade, because you guys see how it kind of unevens it, so then you got to go back and try to blend it in. I'm going to take that white highlight shade from the LA Colors palette and apply that in the inner corner. And yes, it is duochrome. It's like one of those highlighters, look almost white in the pan, but then it goes on like kind of purplish. Alright, so about an hour later, I've applied the rest of my face makeup, my lashes, and now it's time to get started on the bottom. I think just to deepen it up on a lower lash line, instead of using this shade, I'm gonna go into this one. Kind of like this, just a kind of a little bit like the same undertone, but it's a little bit deeper, so I want to deepen up. I'm going to take that lilac shade again and use that on the lower lash line as well. To wrap this eye look up, I'm going to use that black shade and apply that to the waterline. Sorry I wasn't zoomed in that whole time, I just zoomed in at the last minute. Going back into the LA Colors palette, I'm going to take that more champagne tone highlighter shade and use that to actually highlight my face. A lot picked up on the brush. Let's hope for the best. Alright, that's not bad at all. It's definitely more on like the icy side. Since I applied this on my cheeks, I'm going to apply this shade. Oh, I almost dropped it. I'm going to apply that shade on the bridge of my nose. I need to tone this down a little bit because I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush and just like tone this down a little bit because... Alright, so now that I'm finished, my final thoughts on both of these palettes is that I absolutely love them. I think they're both really pigmented and they give you a good variety of shades in both. You get like warm and cool tones in here, and this is just like a cool tone palette. And I think that the eye look turned out really nicely, and as you guys can see, like, it's pigmented. The highlighter is not bad either. It's just like too ashy for my skin tone. It's probably like an eyeshadow highlight anyway, so not even for the face, but it still worked out pretty good. And now to end this video, I just want to say a huge thank you to Beauty Butterfly for choosing me as one of the lucky winners and sending this to me. I am so grateful and thankful for this. I love both of the gifts. Thank you so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.